Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 2 how to sign into your Instagram account using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need for this tutorial is to have access to an iPhone and the Instagram application. Then we can click on the Instagram app and then log in. And now we are ready to type in the credentials for our Instagram account. Computer.science.videos and then my password. Login. Instagram would like to send you notifications. Notifications may include alerts, sounds, and icon badges. These can be configured in the settings. For the moment, I will say do not allow. So don't allow. And now we are signed into the account. Go back to the home page. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.